Welcome to Scholar's Tutorial, where every concept is simplified for smarter practice. Here's the question. A printer produced 588 flyers, packed in bundles of 21. We need to find how many bundles there are. These options show the possible number of bundles. The correct answer is option B. Since the flyers are packed in bundles of 21, we divide 588 by 21. When we divide, we find that 21 goes into 588 exactly 28 times. So, there are 28 complete bundles of flyers. Now let's look at a fractions question. Mason uses 3/8 of a bag of flour to bake 1 cake. We need to find how much flour is required for 2 cakes. These options represent different amounts of flour. The correct answer is option A. Mason uses 3/8 of a bag for 1 cake. For 2 cakes, we multiply 3/8 by 2, which gives 6/8. Simplifying 6/8 gives us 3/4 of a bag. The other options do not represent the correct total amount needed for 2 cakes. With Scholar's Tutorial, maths becomes clear and confident. Keep practicing and master every concept step by step.